so much, Mr. Salt, Mrs. Pepper, for making my vegetable soup.
A cure for the sniffle.
Just what the doctor ordered. Vegetable soup.
Oh, look who's here. It's...
Jill! I can use some vegetable soup, too.
Vegetable soup for everyone.
You know, this vegetable soup really is a cure for the sniffles. Thank you so much for helping me feel better today. Hey, thank you so much for all your help today.
Now it's time for so long.
But we'll sing just one more song.
Thanks for doing your part. You sure are smart. You know, with me and you and my dog Blue, we can do anything that we wanna do.
Bye-bye. See you later. Thanks.
Bye.